Hey guys, it's Tash here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've only just found me by clicking on this video. So, as you were seeing by the title, I'm back with something really exciting and something a little bit different. So, we are going to be trying DIY laminated brows at home. So the brand SassySaints reached out to me to show me their brow lamination kit so you can do your own laminated brows at home. Obviously this is a more affordable way to do it. You can literally just do it from your bedroom and it creates the same results. So SassySaints kindly gifted me their brow lamination kit. However, this video is not sponsored. I just thought it'd be a little bit of fun to come and do some DIY brows together, test the brand, test the kit for you guys, let you know if it's worth your coin and if it actually works, and then you guys might also want to go and pick one up for yourselves. So yeah, I'm super excited to try and test this out, see how well it works, see how good the laminated brows look on my eyebrows. So if you are excited for this video, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into some DIY laminated brows. So I've decided to do this barefaced, so I've literally just done my skincare. I did tint my eyebrows last night, so that's why they're looking quite dark and looking like they've got product in. They haven't. They're fully clean from product, which is the best way to do the laminated brows, I think. Either do it in the morning or the evening. Be fresh faced. It's just easier to apply and do the laminated brows. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. I've never done anything like this before. I've never tried laminating my brows. I've never got them done in the shop, so I don't even know how they're going to look. Don't know how well I'm going to be able to do it, but that's what this test and review is for today. So I thought I would just unbox the little kit for you, show you what you get inside and what it looks like. I'm just literally obsessed with the packaging and I think you guys will love it too. How cute is the box? You've kind of got the outline drawing. It's got those reflects of gold on it. So nice. So it opens up like this and this is what it looks like inside. I mean, if my eyebrows look anything like hers, then I'm here for it. And here's just like a little bit of promo saying about a little giveaway that they're holding at the moment. So definitely go and check them out over on Instagram. I will leave their Instagram here on screen and linked in the description. And then inside, oh my god, is this just not literally packaging goals? It's like minimal but still bougie. I love it. On here it just says, my brows have more structure than my life. Literally true. So in here you get the 1 to 5 step-by-step products. They are literally labelled as well with what they are and a numbers 1 to 5, so you can literally follow it step by step. I just think that it's going to make it so much easier, especially for us beginners, people like me who've literally not done anything like this before. I think this is going to be so helpful and so easy to use. So there are the 5 products in the little bottles, and then in this little box here you get your spoolies, the little like lip gloss wands and the cotton buds, as well as some cotton pads and the cling film. So literally everything you're going to need to do these DIY brows comes in this kit. You don't need anything else but what is in this kit, which is so good. And they also have enough products in here to do this, I think around 6 times, so you can reuse this, you can do it multiple times, which I just think is so good as well. So you're literally getting so much for your money. So we will be using those in a minute. You also get the instructions, which these instructions are so detailed, and also how cool do they look? They like come in a little like newspaper form. Never seen anything like this, but it's so cool. And then on the inside here is the step-by-step guide on how to do the laminated brows. I'm definitely going to be using this and following along. It also even gives you pictures. Literally just shows you exactly how to do it. So yeah, I think this is going to be so easy to follow along with and just really helpful and useful. So yeah, I love that idea of the packaging, the newspaper theme. Just think it looks really cool. And not only do you get the instructions in this, but it also just has like a few other little bits in the newspaper. So you've got Amber Davies spills the tea, a little interview with her, and then we also have your sass is written in the stars. Let's just quickly read mine. So I'm a Capricorn. Walking out the store without buying something feels illegal. I feel like that's so me. I'm such a shopaholic. And then on the back is just some little trendy bits. So some candles. Which TV personality are you? Oh my god, it's like Bridget, Blair, Serena or Emily. I feel like TV characters, I'm going to do that later. But yeah, I really love that you get that inside as well. That's really, really cool. I've not seen anything like it from a brand, so I love that. But that is everything for the packaging. So I feel like let's just get on into doing the brows together. Maybe you guys can pick one of these up, rewatch the videos and do it along with me, or if you're just here to see how DIY brows turn out, then that's cool too. But also after seeing them, it might mean you also want to go and pick one up, so I will of course leave all the details in the description, link it down below for you. But let's get into DIY browing. Okay, so like I said, you want to start off with your brows being nice and clean. So I'm actually going to just start off with the number 4 Clean It, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on the cotton pad just to really ensure that they are nice and clean, just to start on like a fresh brow, because I feel like that's going to help with doing the brow lamination and just making them to go a bit nicer and last. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just like gently wipe over the brows. Obviously ensures that they're free of makeup and any oil, so that is that. Okay, so next we are going to take number 1 Stick It. This is basically going to be like the glue, and what we need to do with this is grab yourself one of the spoolies, and you want to first of all kind of like brush your eyebrows in the way you want them. So I'm going to kind of go for like an up and out a little bit, up and out that way, so they're not fully like sticking up straight, but they're still have quite a nice shape to them. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of brush up and out, and then you're gonna want to take the Stick It, and I think it's best to kind of like do this in sections rather than fully putting it on the whole brow and trying to brush it through. I think start from the inside, work your way out, and do it in sections because the glue will dry down quite quickly, so you want enough time to kind of like work with brushing them how you want them. Get your Stick It, and this is like a little wand. Pop a little bit in the brow, and then use your spoolie and just continue on the rest of the brow. There is the first brow done. I'm just going to do the other side. These products are quite soft, so I think that's why it's quite easy to do at home and nothing like too harsh on your brows. It's nothing to kind of be too scared of because they're nothing too much. They are quite soft products, so again, good for beginners as well. And just if you are a bit worried about it, definitely don't be. And there is eyebrow number 2 done with the Stick It. So then just with your spoolie, again, really just make sure every hair is definitely pointing in the direction that you want it to. You don't want any kind of like curly brows or brows obviously sitting where you don't want them. So just really make sure you have brushed them through how you want them. Okay, just thought I would bring you in a little bit so you can just see a little bit closer. So let's go in with step number 2, which is the Shape It. And with this, you want to use one of the lip gloss wands, and then we're just going to be popping a little layer of this over the top of the eyebrows. I'm not too sure how much of this I'm meant to be putting on, but I kind of actually had a lot come out of it. So yeah, I'm just going to go back in with my spoolie because obviously that has kind of like moved a few of the hairs. So I'm just going to rebrush them where I want them. I feel like we'll go with that. Next up, we are gonna use the cling film. So I need to try and find the end of it. And then you just want to cover your eyebrows. You can either leave it between 5 to 10 minutes. It does actually say on the instructions, fine brows 6 to 7 minutes, normal brows 10 minutes, and then thick brows like 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna pop this on now. Okay, there is the cling film on, so I think I'm gonna leave mine for 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes is up, so I'm now gonna remove the cling film. And once that is removed, you just want to take one of your cotton buds and kind of just like remove any of the excess products that might be on them. As you can see, they're really looking nice already. They're just looking a lot fuller. Okay, next step is to put on number 3, which is the Fix It. So you just want to get another lip gloss kind of wand for this. So I'm literally just gonna dip in there, apply that to both brows. So we are going to be putting more cling film on in a minute, but before you do that, this is obviously going to be the part where they're literally going to stick into place. So take a new spoolie, really brush them exactly how you want them, make sure all hairs are literally going in the direction that you want them. So get your spoolie again, give them another brush through, try and make sure you have no wavy kind of eyebrows or anything. Okay, there we go. I think I'm happy with that. Okay, again, you just kind of want to leave the cling film on for the same amount of time that you did the first time. So again, I'm going to leave mine for around 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, time is up again, so I'm just going to remove the cling film. Oh my god, they are looking good. So happy with how they're looking so far, guys. Oh my god, obsessed. So next step is to get the step number 4, which is the clean it again. So we're going to use a bit of this on a cotton wool pad. So get a bit of this onto the cotton wool pad and then kind of like lightly brush it through your brows. You obviously don't want to be like rough with it, moving the brows too much, but just like a light amount of pressure kind of just like running through it. Obviously clean off all the product. Obviously like clean around your eyebrows as well, just in case any product got above or underneath them where you didn't want it. Okay, so then the last step is number 5, which is Boost It. With this product, you want to apply a generous amount, again with a little lip gloss wand. This is just going to help to replenish the brows and skin. This is full of all the good stuff to like hydrate them, keep them fresh, just keep it all nice and replenished. So I'm just going to, like it said, apply a generous amount of this. If you are looking for like some aftercare advice, I think you can maybe use the Boost It Daily to keep it replenished, keep it hydrated, or it is advised by SassySaints that you could put a hair mask on or conditioner to your eyebrows, use one of your little spoolies and brush through them to obviously keep them in a nice position, keep them in place. It's also really important that with the little bottles of product, they come with these little caps on top. It's really important to keep those on the products, keep those in there, don't get rid of those, and make sure you put them on every time you use it, because that is what's going to help make the product last. Like I said, I think you get 6 laminations out of this kit, but that's only if you obviously put those back on and keep the products nice. So that is really important. Make sure you do that. But that was the final step. There are my brows finished. There are my brows laminated. They're definitely in a much nicer position. They definitely feel like they're gonna stick and stay. I'm so happy with the results. I just feel like they look thicker, fuller. They're going to be so much quicker to just like apply a little bit of product rather than fully having to fill it in my brows, which is what I usually have to do. I feel like this is going to help me with my eyebrows so much and just make my brow routine so much quicker. So yeah, if you do love the like brow soap laminated effect, this kit is so easy to use, leaves literally unreal results. The products are so soft, nothing too heavy, nothing irritable, and not a long process either. That hasn't taken me long at all. Literally for the results that it's left, so worth it. I'm so excited to like style these in the morning, as I said, with my usual brow product, and them just look way better. And even without makeup as well, I feel like I just feel way more confident with my brows, just because again, like I said, they look fuller. They already look basically like they're done anyway. There's actually not that much that I'm gonna need to fill in with them. Yeah, I'm really happy with the results actually. And like I said, as being a beginner, someone that's never done anything like this before, I did find the kit so easy to use, so easy to follow, and so easy to do. So I definitely will be using the products again, getting my uses out of my kit, and probably end up repurchasing it as well after my 6 goes. So yeah, if you're also looking to get the laminated effect, I definitely would recommend SassySaints. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think the brow lamination suits me and what you thought of the kit, and yeah, how well you also think they have turned out. So that was everything from me today, guys, and a little DIY brow lamination test and review at home. It's safe to say I'm very happy with my brows now, and I 100% would recommend the SassySaints kit. I'm gonna leave everything linked down in the description, this kit, their Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out too. Pick yourself one up, and then you can also get the laminated brows really easily by doing it yourself at home. Definitely way more affordable than going to get it done at the salon, and you've got multiple times from one kit that you can do this. So yeah, I definitely think it is worth your coin, and I'm very happy with the results of my eyebrows. But if you did enjoy this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, I would definitely love for you to come subscribe, come and join my little YouTube family. That again is a huge thank you from me. I can't wait to see you guys soon with a brand new video.